day, okay?
Yeah.
Have a good one.
See you later.
See ya.
잠깐 뭐 하나 말씀드리면 저렇게 선생님 연봉을 한번 여쭤봤는데 한 20년 차 되셨고 대략적으로 14만 달러 정도, 그러니까 우리나라 쪽으로 거의 한 2억 가까이 되는 돈 같은데 저게 엄청 많다라고 생각될 수도 있는데 사실 여기 물가 고려해보면 우리나라 선생님 월급의 2배? 물가도 2배, 거의 또이또이 아닌가 이분들한테는. 그렇습니다. Why? What's wrong?
She just wakes up. She just.
A nightmare? 아. 아이들을 등교시키고 마트로 향했습니다. 성탄절에 맞춰 예쁘게도 꾸며놨더라고요. 마트에 온 이유는 다름이 아니고 가족분들을 위해 한식을 만들어 드리려고 이것저것 사러 왔는데 갑자기 누군가 말을 걸었습니다.
And you're coming here to check out American Western culture in Washington State? Pleasure to meet you.
Thank you very much. Wow. Super cool.
Yeah. We're friendly. We're friendly.
Yeah, right. Wow.
Or you can learn a colloquial term. There are assholes, but not all of us are assholes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, pleasure to meet you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 그렇게 나가려는데 마트에 복권기가 있더라고요. 호기심에 바로 한번 해봤습니다.
It's like a piece of paper, and then they do it on the TV. A $20 scratch ticket. A $30 scratch ticket. $50.
Oh yeah. Yeah, thank you. If I have a time, I want to talk more. 와우. 어쨌거나 성공적으로 장을 보고 프리스쿨의 드웬을 데리러 갔습니다.
제가 한국에서 원래 장만 봐도 엄청 좋아하는데 미국에서 장 보니까 또 색다르네요. 다른 나라 가서도 약간 쇼핑센터 이렇게 돌아다녀보고 하는 걸 좋아하는데 와, 보이세요? 장만 봐도 행복해. 미치겠다.
This is the smallest drive-through what I have seen. Wow.
I prefer this over
Yeah.
Starbucks. And then
Americano?
just an Americano.
Super fast. I can't understand.
픽업 후 또 다른 아시안 마트에 들려서 요리에 필요한 재료들을 더 구매하고 기름을 넣다가 앞에 있는 편의점에 들려서 추천해주신 치킨 한 사발이 했습니다.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Be honestly, yeah. You like it?
Yes, I do.
와, 다행이다. 전기밥솥으로 갓 지은 밥에다가 수육완상과 함께 하는데 기가 막혔고 다행히 다들 입맛에 맞아서 기분이 너무 좋았습니다. 애들도 잘 먹더라고요.
Too good.
You don't want to go where? Like back home, back or go to Oregon, or
I don't wanna leave either.
yeah. Oh, we should get the. Let me go grab the presents.
I'm sure.
Front, camera, battery low.
Okay, let's see.
애들을 위해 깜짝 크리스마스 선물을 주고 싶어서 잡다한 물건을 파는 마트에 다녀왔었습니다.
In the stories with Santa Claus is that good kids get gifts, but if you are bad, then you get gold for Christmas.
과자부터 장난감까지 여러 가지를 팔았고 아이들이 좋아할 만한 물건들과 평소에 가지고 싶다던 물건들을 여러 개 샀습니다.
We believe like Santa Claus is the spirit of giving, right? Giving back and thinking of others. Some people, the presents that Santa Claus brings, they are like really big and expensive. We choose not to do that. Santa gift is usually like that one gift they've been talking about, but also kind of forgot about. And it's not like $300, $500, $1,000 kind of thing. It's small. We don't want them to have this expectation. As they get older and they realize, Santa Claus, well, I don't know, you can believe forever.
Yeah.
When they find out, like, mommy, daddy, we're Santa Claus, we push it out to them now. You get to be Santa Claus now, right? It's that idea of like how to become like
adult?
a giver. Yeah, like we embody like Santa Claus, the meaning of Santa Claus. And so now anybody can be Santa. So now as they realize, oh, Santa Claus isn't real, but what Santa Claus does is real, right? Like they eventually get to be, Santa Claus. So yeah.
Wow. Should I have to take all the package off? No. just in
You
here,
could just,
right?
yeah, just put them in. You could just be like, it's up to you. Like, just put them in without. You don't have to wrap them.
Actually, I have no idea. This is my first time, so yeah. Can you recommend?
Can you write her name in home, like in Korean?
Thanks for serving a great meal for. Is it awkward?
That's nice.
Yeah. Oh, what did I say?
Thank
In your life journey, God will be together.
Yeah.
Is it cool? You're the best turkey cooker what I have ever seen.
Yeah.
It's okay.
No, that's great.
So yeah.
Yeah, see, you came in the kind of winter, and then now you should come back in the summer.
Yeah, right.
Wherever the wind takes you.
Oh, wow.
Just go with it, like.
That's why I came here.
There you go.
Just want to meet you, so that's why I came.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you were working, do you think you could have come to the States?
Can't.
Right.
Yeah, right.
It's kind of like good fortune, or because
Yeah,
I got to
right,
see
yeah.
you.
Yeah, right.
You know, like I don't think I would have if you
If
had
I-
stayed in your job.
If I didn't quit the job, yeah, I can't come here probably, I think.
Yeah.
Now I feel very sad because I got a cough, during 1 week. I'm not good at condition and stay here
Yeah.
America more, but
Yeah.
I have to go,
Yeah.
the country.
Yeah.
Can you tell about your story when you was young? Because I heard you're adopted
Yeah.
by Americans, so if you mind, you don't have to. Yeah.
So I was adopted at 13 months, and my sister's adopted too. She was adopted at 9 months.
Oh.
Not blood sisters though. Like not.
Ah.
She was adopted, and then 2
Yeah.
years later, they adopted again. And so so my sister and I are both adopted,
Mhm.
and it was just like it was Seattle Holt International, or not Seattle, sorry, it's Seoul Holt International. That's all I know. And then my mom said when they described the kids there, she said the way that they described me was that I was going to be a woman wrestler because I think I had just a lot of
Yeah.
energy,
Yeah.
and I was
Like doing right.
yes.
Why your parents come to Korea and I just
So they didn't actually come to Korea. So this is how my mom said, my mom was a hairdresser. She owned a beauty shop. She couldn't have children. They tried for years.
Yeah.
One of her ladies that she cuts her hair adopted a baby, I think a baby girl or whatever, from Korea.
Ah.
And my mom just goes, my prayers are answered. Like she was like, this is it. This is what we're supposed to do. And so then they looked into it, and then they adopted my sister, and then they were like, I think we want one more, And so then they adopted me, and they're like, we don't want any more. She is crazy. Like she's wild. And they're like, two is good. Yeah.
Grew up in America around like 25 years and come to Korea, right? And then met me, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Actually, honestly, when I first got to Korea, they call it when you have like culture shock. They say when you travel that a lot of times you hit a wall and it's just like, I want to go home. And I hit mine hard. I hit it like at 3 months, and when I was in Korea, and I was like, I'm ready to go home. Because everything was harder, right? Because
Yeah.
you're just like, I don't speak the language. But then I got a motorcycle, and then I was like happy.
Oof. Like,
Really, and then I got to really see the country because it was just like walk to work, go home, walk to work, go home, and then it was like then I started like really enjoying the culture, and then
if I not had that, ECC Academy, then I can't speak English. If my mom didn't work in there, maybe I can't get any English class, our economics are bad, so I get a discount and I get that academy a little bit. I don't know exact price, but anyway, that's why I can speak English. And I decide to travel, and now I find what I like. But if I can't speak English, I can't feel like this, or I can't travel, and I can't hang out with any other foreign country. But
Right.
I mean, not country, I mean the friend.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you. Because of you,
Aw.
just in my mind and in my head, I always thought about you, and I didn't practice. This is my own. I learned my conversation in that age.
Yeah.
And yeah, I didn't try anything, but
Right.
yeah, I'm not good at to how to express my
Yeah.
word. But anyway, thank you.
Yeah.
And thank you for great meals
Yeah,
and
yeah.
great keys.
Yeah.
And I really love your
Oh.
keys. I just want to touch their.
I can smell it. It smells so good.
어제 전날 자기 전에 한식을 이것저것 만들었습니다. 떠나는데 무슨 선물을 해드릴까 하다가 생각해보니 한식을 너무 좋아하시는데 선생님께서 만드실 때마다 한국에서 파는 그 맛이 안 난다고 해서 K아지 실력으로 여러 개 만들어 드렸습니다. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, cabbage onion and green onion. You like it? Yeah. 그리고 역까지 데려다 주시는데 너무 감사해서 큰맘 먹고 브런치 가게에 들렸습니다.
Who wants this one? You?
That is. How about we just have milk? Close your eyes. Okay, what's missing?
The salt.
The salt.
No.
What's missing? Watch. Ha
See, I told Daddy's name was Joseph, and Mary was his mom.
Can I get a T-bone steak breakfast cooked with medium rare?
Spider-Man.
That's enough.
What smells like coconut?
Oh, you see the bacon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say.
Come here. 감사합니다. We're going to Portland today.
My friend is going to Portland too.
Hello. okay, thank you.
Thank you, Father. Yeah.
Train coming.
Train. Come out.
Right, wherever you. Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, Portland. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Yeah, right. Oh my god. 선생님 가족과 헤어지고 기차가 출발했습니다. 평화로운 포틀랜드에 도착해서 본격적으로 여행을 해보려고 했는데 갑자기 일정이 바뀌어서 이도저도 못하고 심지어 동행도 잘못 만나서 여행을 망쳐버렸습니다. Hello, thank you.
God, we have a big present for you. And we have
Huh?
something for you to eat.
Present? Oh my god!
And something for you to eat.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what's that?
It's a water bottle for you, and it's filled with gifts.
Oh my god.
We have a nail present for you.
Oh my god.
Open it. Open this present.
Open, can you open please? Wow, thank you very much.
This water bottle.
Thank you. Oh, it's okay. Wow, oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Why so heavy?
Because there's lots of stuff in there.
Don't yell.
Thank you very much, Burnley.
You're welcome.
Oh
And
my
then there's
God.
a water bottle. This is a cool home.
Dwayne? Yeah, this is your card. For you and for Brentley. There. In your home, okay?
I can't wait.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Just a card and then just a kind of thank you. And
Yeah. Whoa. What's that? Whoa.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah. Oh my god. Wow. When did you get this picture? Whoa. Yeah, this gorilla.
Just open it up. There's stuff inside. Open it up.
Careful.
And then stuff.
cough drop, but then there are some.
Yeah, your voice is gone.
I know. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I know.
Yeah, you have to go. Yeah.
She's sick.
Yeah. Thank you, teacher. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Say hello to your mother and
Yeah.
father and.
Okay. Have a good trip. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
우리가 도망갔지도 않아요. 도망갔지도 않아요. 와, 진짜 예쁘다. 이야. 제가 빵은 잘 모르는데 뷔페에서 나오는 그런 것보다 맛있네요 훨씬. 이렇게 미국 시애틀이 아니네요. 어디야 여기가 도대체? 어디 여행한 거야? 어쨌거나 이렇게 미국 여행이 끝났는데 선생님 몸도 안 좋고 하시고 해서 그냥 빨리 가라고 했습니다. 울 뻔했습니다 사실. 쪽팔려서 빨리 가라고 했습니다. 진짜 행복하네요 하루하루가. 너무 행복하고 와 저처럼 살아가는 사람이 또 있을까요? 참 오늘도 저희 여행을 만들어주셔서 진심으로 감사드립니다. Hi sir, do you want some cake? Choco. Hey dude, do you want some cake? Cupcake. How old are you?
12.
You're from here? No.
What's your YouTube channel?
Mr. Kim Traveling. Mr. Kim Traveling.
Videos?
Soon-Young wanted me to, okay?
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, you'll get to see him again. Here, this is from Soon-Young, okay? It says, from Mr. Kim the Traveler, who wanders the world
Kim?
to the most beautiful, adorable kids he met in America. I hope we meet again someday.
Let's meet him again.
Okay. Hi guys, this is Scott, Soon-Young Kim. I prepared Christmas presents for you guys. You guys are one of the cutest children I've ever seen before. Let me tell you a little story about your mom. I first met her at a small English academy in my hometown, Yosu. To be honest, I don't remember all the details, but I still remember her feeling. She had a warm, positive energy. These kind of things are making a person unforgettable. I can talk I can talk with foreigners, travel the world, and use English because of my mom and your mom. My mom worked every day at 4 a.m. driving students and making lunch for kids. Your mom spent time with me outside of class, having barbecue, having conversations in English, and very kind words. There were many teachers in that academy, but only your mom stayed dearly in my memory. Because of that feeling, I want to meet her and looked for her when I was 20. Eventually, I found her, but because of my job and the environment, I can't meet your mom. We only exchanged messages in another country. And finally, I met her. She married Aaron, who is such a good man and kind person, and also met you guys. Someone like me, Asian, who can't speak English fluently. The person can feel afraid about the USA, but because of your family, I felt happy. What I really want to tell you in this, I hope you grow up to be people who cherish the connections you have with others. You may be too young to understand everything I've said right now, but one day you will. This way of thinking changed my life. I'm sorry I couldn't write this in a way perfectly suited for your age. Grow up healthy and strong, and let's meet again when you're even cooler and more beautiful than you are now. This winter, I think it will always remain one of the most unforgettable times of my life.